Hi there, Kenneth, a recruiter from CC Talent, and I'm here to help you get hired when you're looking for a job. In this Ask Our Recruiter series, we'll be sharing some tips and answering some of your questions about the job applications. So let's start. One thing most applicants do that I usually see, which affects their application negatively, is applicants give generic answers that don't align with a specific job or company. Also, in their resume as well, repeating resume points without showing how they're relevant to the position. Another thing is their body language during an interview. The body language is uninviting. Also, their communication skills lack clarity or confident as well. This significantly reduce their impact during an interview. They can avoid this common mistake by showing that they are prepared for a specific interview. This impresses us recruiters, which increases their chances of getting hired as well. That's it. If you have questions and are struggling to get hired, share your story and questions in the comments. We'll be featuring more questions and solutions in our Ask Our Recruiter series. And don't forget to follow our channel to get updated with the latest job vacancies and application tips. Again, my name is Ken, a recruiter from CC Talent. See you in our next video. Bye.